10 years in the market, over 500 machines in the field, millions of printing hours. This is the 5th generation, BigRep ONE. Refined in every detail, the new BigRep ONE is forged from a decade of proven performance. 1 cubic meter build volume reliably delivers massive 3D prints. Dual PEX2 extruders set a new benchmark with a 40% higher flow rate, lightweight design for enhanced speed and accuracy, dual drive feeding gears for smooth extrusion, and hardened diamond nozzles that endure high-volume abrasive material printing. The BigRep ONE comes with 2 extruders in dual mode. Rely on the backup extruder to ensure productivity or use it for dual extrusion of 2 materials. Need maximum output? Activate twin mode to print identical parts simultaneously, doubling your output. The One now features the switch plate magnetic print bed surface. With different surface options, your prints stay put during printing, while still easy to remove. The One's open material system supports all compatible filaments, from BigRep certified to third-party brands. An integrated Keep Dry box keeps filament moisture-free and print-ready, ensuring consistent, high-quality prints. From the first layer to the finished print, the BigRep ONE streamlines every step of large-format printing. Industry leaders in automotive, aerospace, research and education, product design, art, and architecture rely on the BigRep ONE. A legacy of excellence, the original large format. BigRep ONE.